कितली वर्सांच जाली मडगांवकार स्केटिंग रिंकाची वाट पळयतात. 200 वय भुरग्यांनी मडगांवां तशेंच गोंया खातीर कितलेशेच फावट बरे स्केटिंग परफॉर्मन्स दाखयला. मात एसजीपीडीए मार्केटा कडेक आशिल्ल्या पार्किंगेचे सुवातेर शिकून हायफाय स्केटिंग फॅसिलिटी सोडाच तांकां गरज भागोवंक सादें स्केटिंग रिंग मेळना. नवो सरकार स्केटिंगाचें कितें तरी करीत काय म्हूण ह्या भुरग्यांक आशा.
ही आमची सगळे स्केटिंगाचे भुरगे पूण म्हाका दूख भोगता आमच्या भुरग्यांक स्केटिंग ग्रावंड ना. ग्रावंड नासता पूण आमच्या भुरग्यांक जायते मेडल हाडले. तुमकां दिसती पडटा आसतले फाटल्या गव्हर्मेंटाच्या लागीं जावन आमकां ग्रावंड दिवपाक आनी हेजे फुडें न्यू गव्हर्मेंट येतात तेणें पूण भुरग्यांक एक स्केटिंग ग्रावंड दिवन कितें आमकां बरें भुरग्यांक शिकोवपाक बरें ग्रावंड दिवचो म्हाका.
These are our universal club kids who are registered with SAG Sports Authority of Goa. Around 200 students are there. All these are medal winners and we have brought so many laurels to our state of Goa. We don't have a rink. They have collected fees from us. We are registered with SAG. But they have till date not provided a ground for us. We have been approaching every government. So many representations have been given, written representations have been given, but nothing has come to our students till date. So we request to give us a rink. There are two beautiful rinks in North Goa, but there are no students there registered. Here there are about 200 students and there is no rink. So we request that our kids should be given a skating rink. We have been given to understand that a ground is coming in Naveli. They could make indoor skating rink that will benefit our kids. There are so many kids who are actively participating in this sport.
आय लिगात चर्चिल ब्रदर्साचेर 5वी हार पडली. मिझोरामात जाल्ल्या मॅचीत एझॉल एफसीन चर्चिलाक 3-1 गोलान मारले. चर्चिलाचे आतां 8 मॅची उपरांत 5 पॉयंट जाल्यात आनी लीग तक्क्यात चर्चिल 8वे सुवातेर आसात.
Aizol kick off. Alfred Jarian, Kingsley delaying, getting the return ball. Nice build up. Lal Ramchulova getting a look in because Lal Ruathara is missing. Push. A mistake here. Chance for a break. Chance for a break by Churchill brothers. Anthony Wolf combining with Kroma. Kroma on his own. Kroma could dead fly. This could be dangerous. Fancy dribbling skills, but he's held on to the ball too long. Instead of slipping it through to Anthony Wolf, allows Aizol to get into a counter attack, which they do. Now Aizol, Lal Mohan Kima lays it across. This could be goal number 1, but cleared just in time. Churchill brothers launching an attack, but good exchange of all passes. A shot chance here, shot wide of the target. Hero I League. Awkward bounce. Gabriel Fernandez on the first time ball to Anthony, appealing for a penalty and given. And yes, they do. Kroma, the Liberian, who started his career with the Junior Lone Star, has put the away team up and the crowd is silenced. There it is. Very cleverly placed. Mahmood Alamna in the thick of action as he's come on. Raw going up from the crowd every time he touches the ball. Curled in and the goalkeeper collects it for Mahmood Alamna, delaying. Churchill brothers regroup. Alfred Long Ranger seeing the goalkeeper off his line. Tight marking, but a lovely ball by Alfred Jarian. The crowd appealing for a penalty. Is that a penalty? No, says Om Prakash Thakur. No, he's given it. All of Mizoram will be willing him. And he does. He's got Jayesh Rane in support. Jayesh Rane looking for Brandon. Finds him with a fine forward pass. Good move here by Aizawl. Baikamo could score, and Baikamo does, and it's 2-1. To wrest control of this match, which is being dominated by the men in red, much to the delight of the home fans. And there it is, sheer joy for the men in red and for their numerous over 5,000 supporters. They made good substitutions and ultimately won. 3-1.
दुबईत गोवन सुपर लीग क्रिकेट सर्त 15 ते 17 फेब्रुवारी मजगती अजमन मुंबई क्रिकेट क्लब ग्राउंडार जातली. हालीं 16 टीमीचे हजेरीत सर्तीच्या ट्रॉफीचो अनावरण सुवाळो जाल्लो. पळयात ट्रॉफीचे अनावरण सुवाळ्याची खिणचित्रां.
सगळ्यांक माझ्या मोगाचो येवकार. Thank you for coming here and making this event successful. This GSL is all about Goa.
Viva Goa!
म्हापशा अंसाभाटात विठ्ठल रखुमाई देवळाचो 91वा वर्सुकी दीस शुक्रारा मनयलो. ह्या निमतान विष्णुयाग अनुष्ठान दवरिल्लें. बायलांनी सकाळ सावन कुंकुमार्चन केलें. फाटली 21 वर्सां जाली दर वर्धापन दिसा विठ्ठल रखुमाईच्या देवळांत विष्णुयाग करतात.
अंसाभाट विठ्ठलवाडी चित्र विठ्ठलवाडी हे असलेले श्री विठ्ठल रखुमाई संस्थान हे 25 फेब्रुवारी 1926 सालान स्थापन जाली. आयज हांगासर माघ पौर्णिमा हो दीस धरून 91वो वर्धापन दिन साजरो करतात. आणि हांगासर जी पहिली मूर्ती असली ती हेजी असली स्वयंभू मूर्ती असली ती आम्ही 1999 दुसरी प्रतिष्ठापना केली. त्या पुनर्प्रतिष्ठापनेचो 18 वर्धापन दिन आसा. त्या हितून आमी आतां तो विष्णुयाग अनुष्ठान साजरो करतात. आनी आज सकाळ पासून हो विष्णुयाग अनुष्ठान साजरो केलो वयता. भितर सकाळी पुर्णावचन सगळें जाल्लें आसा, आहुती जाता आनी आतां महाप्रसाद आसा. महाप्रसादाक हजारो संख्येचे भावीक हांगासर येवन ताजो महाप्रसादाचो आस्वाद घेता. आतां सतत 21 वर्सां जाल्यात आमी हांगासर विष्णुयाग करता. यंदा विष्णुयागाचे यजमानपद श्री तुषार टोपले हे करता.
हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां prudentmedia.in वेबसायटीरूय लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.